So that was an eventful drive up. Really hope to sort of keep the car dry, but I don't know if you can hear, it's been absolutely hacking it down, and the whole way up it was hacking it down. But the Datsun's in and it's now drying out. We've had a quick look round with a screwdriver, and we're just going to sit down now, have a cup of tea, draw up a plan of how we're going to attack it over the next couple of days. Pulled all the suspension off. That's all now drying. So yeah. So what we're doing?
Making a mess.
So basically we do not know what we're dealing with here.
We do know what we're dealing with here, it's filler.
It's filler. There's a lot of filler, and now it's up. You can sort of see the filler goes up here, and it's not very nice. So we're going to make a mess. We're going to get as much filler out as we can to see what metal's there, and actually start work.
It's not too bad.
It's not bad.
I mean, I was expecting a lot worse. What's in here? Oh, I think this is filler. Quite deep.
So it's a little bit deep.
Right.
Right.
Panel. Let's have a look at the panel.
Right. More surgery.
That's the depth of it there.
Yeah. So I wonder if it had something here, because this
That's
is all,
something in there, isn't it?
yeah. Because if we have a look at this, this is basically just filler. But we have a new one.
Yay!
Just it's going to be a lot of chiseling.
Problems are solved.
So basically these panels are held on by a lot of plug welds. Plugged weld should be plugged weld across, but it's not. It's fillered.
Hang on.
Hang on.
For the American people out there, it's Bondo.
Bondo. So these naturally have an indent here, which is
3 feet deep.
which is here. But on my one, it's still there, but it was bondoed over. So yeah, I'm going to mount the camera down and give Eden a hand, because I think it's going to be the longest. I think it's the worst job on the car. I think it's the only Bondo in the car. I think.
Yeah, it's definitely the worst job on the car.
this is turning out to be a bit worse than we anticipated. Behind
A
it,
bit worse than you anticipated.
yes,
I anticipated.
So yeah, we can see. We think it's been hooked off someone's drive. There we go. It's been hooked off someone's drive, and all this is bent. Which we're going to straighten this. Bumper mount's okay, but this is not okay, and this was not okay. And this is not okay. So we're going to look at some options. I know we can get this panel, so I think I might have to bite the bullet and just get that panel, because it will just save us so much time in faffing, and it might not be right.
It's going to make the job much better.
Yes.
The Datsuns.
But I've been busy. I've been doing some bits, not as involved as Eden. So, just taking all the wiring clips out. Battery tray's now gone. And yeah, we just marked out all the holes that we should be getting filled in. So, yeah, progress has been good today. Still got some more to do. But I'm now going to go cry at the price of a panel. And yeah, and crack on. Hang on. Right. This is going to make or break my day. I've already been kicked in it. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, what is that?
Ugh.
Just not worry about that. Just put that back.
My floor.
Oh,
Is that a shell?
I think it's been
Being a snail.
a snail or I don't know, mouse nest.
Detritus. There's poo everywhere there.
Yeah.
Ugh.
Okay, it's not so bad up there.
Yeah.
But here it's pretty bad. Ah.
Just cut this. Find some solid-ish.
Doesn't look bad down the sill. Down there.
It's a good thing you're putting the camera in front of me.
Right, so we stopped filming yesterday because it was getting a bit dark and we couldn't see too much. So we've had a bit more focus on the rear panel, and I'll do a quick walk through where we're at now because we've kind of scratched the surface and we found a few bits more and a few bits less to do in certain areas. So let's start on the back end and we'll work through to the front of where we're at. So rear end, at some point there has been some sort of impact around this sort of area, but then also there has also been hooked from here and here, so both these parts were kind of folded this way, so they've been heated up, pushed back, and also another weird one, there's a hole which goes through here and into the spare wheel tub, which it doesn't make sense why there is a hole here as well, but we know what we're dealing with the situation now, and it also means we need to do something with this because the measurements from here to here and here to here, I don't know if you can pick it up on camera, are completely off. So at some point it's had pretty bad repair. These brackets, this bracket's different to this bracket, so we're going to emit defeat with this panel, which you can get one which has this and the rear valance as well, so this will be nice and straight and done, so we know that when we close the tailgate we're going to have a good fighting battle to get that all nicely shaped. So that's the rear section. Dog legs, here's my light here. This was meant to be the good side with nothing really to do bar the outer panel, but as you can see there's a bit more rust in it than we anticipated. So today we're going to be working out what we're going to do with that, whether we're going to make the panels or we're going to buy some panels. So we'll wait and see when Eden gets back from walking Ted the dog, who hopefully you'll probably see later on this episode or next episode. And then this is the bad one. The good situation with this is the actual structural parts are fine, it's just the overlapping panels which are like there's like 3 panels that all go together, and that's what's all corroded. So we've also got to look at this today and start addressing that to a point where we can start building it up. Floors and stuff we haven't attacked yet, but if we go through to the front, I've kind of gone through all the front wings, gone through all the front, started straightening a few parts on the front. The battery tray was rusty. Underneath the battery tray has now come out. If I show you here, so battery tray is now gone. So we've got a few repairs here to do. So we'll repair this section of the battery tray. This is good, which is great. This section of the rail needs to be done. It doesn't matter too much about further on because we have some later 260, I think, I know, but definitely 280Z longer frame rails, which go from, hopefully you can see, they go from here all the way to the back. Just gives a bit more strength to the car. So they'll be going on. And then yeah, I've just marked up all the holes that will be filling up. This is all aircon stuff, so they'll be going. A couple of other holes that will be getting filled in. And that's pretty much it for updates at the minute. Bit further back than I was hoping, or we were hoping, but you never know where you're going to be with these sort of cars. And on the whole, still it's not as bad as it should be, considering this car was off the road from late 90s, early 90s, and it's been neglected. So yeah, I'm going to leave it at that. I'm going to crack on. I'm going to hopefully get the whole front end in primer, and then mark out where me and Eden, mostly Eden, needs to do all the welding and stuff. And I'm going to chase it backwards and try and find a rear panel and some more panels, or what to do with this.